Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable remote key press sound or system sound. Go to settings, then select device preferences, then select sound. So here we can see system sounds, disable it. So that way we can disable system sounds or remote key press sound. If you want to enable it, again go to settings, then go to device preferences, then go to sound, then enable system sounds. So this way we can enable it. So this way we can enable or disable system sounds or remote key press sounds. So please try this. So if you have any doubt, please comment.